Here we're going to look at vectors and scalars. Vector quantities are quantities that have both a magnitude and an associated direction, whereas scalar quantities are quantities that have a magnitude only. As an example, let's look at a familiar scalar quantity, speed. We may state a speed as 5 meters per second, although you're more used to them in miles per hour. However, since in this course we work with metric units, the speed would be stated more often than not in meters per second, although you may meet kilometers per hour. The vector equivalent of speed is called velocity. And to be a vector, it requires both a magnitude, so say 5 meters per second, but also a direction. Another familiar scalar quantity would be distance. We might have a distance of 10 kilometers. The vector equivalent is called displacement and requires both a magnitude, so 10 kilometers, and a direction, which may be given as a bearing.